This is an unboxing of the replacement iPod Nano. I had the first gen iPod Nano, and I don't know, you may be aware that Apple Care has found some defect or some problem with the iPod Nano. The iPod Nano first came out in, I believe, 2001 or a bit later than that. So Apple have released a replacement program. So what you do is you return your iPod Nano, the first gen, and they will give you the 6th gen. So 6th gen iPod Nano is the latest one with the little touch screen. So that's a bargain. That's worth around £120 for a replacement for an iPod Nano which came out God knows how long ago. So I've done this replacement before. As you can see, this is another box which I've done my Nano. I had 2 Nanos, and the first one, it took, I would say, 6 weeks for a replacement to come. And I had another Nano with another family member of mine, and it took exactly 2 weeks, or less than that actually. So yeah, here it is. I've got it. Just an empty box, it seems, because it's so light with the small Nano. But yeah, it's not really empty. Alright, I'm gonna open this up and see the good stuff. Okay, here it is. Alright, you're first presented with an Apple Care service sheet, and it's got the regulations and terms and conditions. Should I open this up a bit more? Phone, and oh no, here it is in a little red packet, the 6th gen iPod Nano. Ooh, it's nice and silver. Yeah, these are brand new, so these ain't like refurbished. 8GB. I believe my other Nano that I replaced it for was 2GB, so I've got more gigabytes now. Much better. Right, let's just switch this on and see if it works. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, switched on very quick. So there you go, people, the new Nano. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate and subscribe as usual. Bye.